How to change the thumbnail of YouTube Shorts. Open your Google Chrome and go to YouTube. Set your browser to desktop side. Click your channel logo. Long press the YouTube Studio. New tab in Group. Click New tab in bottom of browser. Click the Continue to Studio. Click on your content. Find your Shorts video that you will change the thumbnail. Here is my Shorts video. It's a lyrics overlay. It appears plain Every black. Shorts video has 3 thumbnails to choose from, but in my lyrics overlay, all plain black. You can also choose from the 3 of them if you don't like the recommended thumbnail. Just click one and save. For my video, none of these are good, so I create a customized thumbnail. If you have your own made thumbnail, click this. Choose from your gallery. Click Save at the top right corner. These features is available if you had a verified channel. To verify your channel, see my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. We hope this helps. Please give us a like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. See you in next upload.